Hi Aaron, this is Gary. Today I take one video for you. Let me introduce our factory for you. This is the gate of our factory, JUGAO CNC machine. This is the bare gate of our factory. We are close to the highway, and we are one famous factory here. Most Chinese guys know our factory. Our factory have been here more than 20 years. This is the warehouse of our factory. This is a CNC bending machine, laser cutting machine, punching machine, and the tube bending machine. JUGAO, aiming for the best, running towards the future. Those machines are finished. We will send those machines to our customer recently. Normally we can send them in 1 week. Shearing machine, and this is packed by the wooden books, the machine parts.